Dear children, it is a bridge course activity page 11 for day 10. It is a activity based on addition and subtraction of decimals which are in the combined form. Simplify the following. First one is find the sum of these two and subtract this number from the first sum. Find the sum of 5324.237 and 3456.432. After getting the sum, subtract 3935.2124. Here you see, this is 5324.237. This is 3456.432. Here you will get a sum 8780.6690. Add 7 and 2, you will get 9. Add 3 and 3, you will get 6. Add 2 and 4, you will get 6. Next 4 plus 6, 10. 0, 1 carry. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 1, 8. And 3 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. And you got the sum here, 8780.6690. And next you subtract from that sum 3936.2124. You know the method of subtracting. Here 10 minus 4 you will get 6. Here 8 is remaining. 8 minus 2 6. 6 minus 1 5. 6 minus 2 4. Then again 10 minus 5 5. 8 minus 3, it is not 8 here. Here 1 is taken, so 7 is remaining. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 you will get 4. And 17 minus 9 you will get 8. And 7 minus 3 4. So you got the sum. What is the sum you got here? You got the sum 4845.4566. Then you take this one. Here it is positive, it is negative, it is positive. Means first you get the sum of this and this. First you get the sum of this and this. Take 6543.324 plus 3355.435. After finding the sum of that two, why you have to find the sum of that two? Because they are having the same sign. Why we have to add them? Because they are having the same sign. So you must add them. After getting the sum, you subtract this one. To add and to subtract, use the same method. Here you take the decimal point below the decimal point, and the digits under the same place must come below the other, and follow the steps of addition and find the sum. After getting the sum, write this. After getting the sum, subtract 5268.872. Then you will get the number 4629.887. Same steps to be followed to get the simplification of the remaining also. Here also get the sum of these two and subtract 3567.654 from this. After that, here is minus, here is plus. Again you must subtract here, and then you must put the sign of the greater number here. Here you know that here 4521.8560 is there. It is 2547.3689, and you take above this number and below this number, and you subtract, and it becomes the positive because the positive number is greater here. Here in the third one, First you get the sum of these two. After getting the sum, write the number 2234.334 below that sum and subtract 2234.334 from the sum of these two numbers what you got. And similarly here 6987.5486 minus 4589.2589 minus 3694.5480. And here you observe these two numbers are having same sign. So you add them and put the same sign. Here add these two numbers and put the same sign. And next here from the sum of these two, know that the sum of this must be greater than this number, and you must subtract the sum of these two number. Subtract this number from the sum of these two number. Then you will get the difference which is having the negative sign, because you know that it is 4589.2589 and this is 3594.5480. Exactly the sum will be more here. Therefore this number becomes the greater. The sum of these two negative numbers becomes the greater than this number. So you must subtract this number from the sum of these two number and you must put the negative sign. Then you take the next one. Here three numbers are there. This is positive, this is positive. First you find the sum of these two number. Find the sum of these two number and from that sum subtract this middle number. So here also you will get the positive number because the sum of these two is greater than this middle number. So here you will get a positive number. And in the next one, here these two are positive. As they are having same sign, add them and get the sum. From that sum you subtract this one. Next here these two are having negative sign. Take them one below the other and find their sum and put the negative sign. And next below you that you take this number. If their sum is greater, or if this is greater, you take the sum below this number. Then subtract and put the sign of the greater number. Put the sign of the greater number. Similarly, you take this one. Here you observe this is negative, these two are positive. So first you get the sum of these two numbers as they are having same sign. After getting the sum, you subtract this number. And first to verify which is greater number, you must subtract the greater smaller sum number from this greater number, and we have to put the sign of the greater number. You observe the sign of the greater number, subtract and the sign of the greater number. In this way, we have to simplify all these.